Hi, I'm Joy. Thank you for choosing X401H from MJX. I will introduce the detailed operation of X401H in this video, so that you can enjoy the best flight and shooting experience. Right now, let's open the pad box. Pull out the inner box and check X401H and related accessories in the box. Firstly, this is the remote control, mobile phone holder, its protector frame and tripod. It is spare fan and screwdriver, and it as well as a battery charging cable. This is the user manual. Please read carefully before takeoff. What you see now is the X401H body. Let's turn over the box and loose the fixed line. Now you can easily take X401H out. As you can see, it is very pretty and has a built-in camera. The above are the drone and all the accessories. There are 3 interfaces on each motor cabinet. Insert the frame plugs into the interfaces and fix it. Fix the protection frame by screwing clockwise. Like this, the protection frame is now installed, and it is the same to install other 3 protection frames. Align the tripods to 4 jacks on the bottom of the drone respectively and then insert. The head of tripods shall point to the nose direction. This is the backhaul antenna of the camera, and you should fix it on the antenna cover of the tripod. First, connect the standby to the mobile phone fixing component. Second, set the mobile phone holder to the top of the remote control. Third, adjust the fixing component upward or downward according to the size of the mobile phone. Fourth, pull back the locked center of the standby and slowly push up the holder. The mobile phone holder would be taken down. First, turn off the drone. Second, open the battery door by screwing counterclockwise. Third, unplug the battery wire from the power wire plug of the drone and take out the battery. Fourth, connect the battery cable with the USB wire plug. Fifth, insert the USB charger into the USB interface of the computer. Sixth, charging is proceeding with indicator light off. Once the battery is full charged, the light will turn red. Seventh, plug the battery wire into the power wire plug of the drone and insert the battery into the battery compartment. 8th, close the battery door and fasten it by screwing clockwise. First, make sure that the battery is well installed and connected with power wire of drone. The drone is off. Second, turn on the remote controller and the power indicator light flash rapidly. Third, turn on the drone. Set the drone to flat surface. Fourth, slide the throttle control stick up to the top. Then return to the throttle control stick to the bottom. Fifth, about 4 seconds later the flashlight will keep constant on. It means the signal connection is finished and the drone is ready for flight. 6. To ensure steady flight, please set the value of the trimmer to the midpoint. 7th. press the 1 key start key, push up the throttle stick slowly and the drone takes off. This is power switch and this is power indicator. There are 4 joystick modes for this remote control. You can long press the red button to switch, and there will be the prompt of the corresponding mode on the bottom of the LCD screen. Here we have the default mode 2 to introduce the remote control operation. The left stick. Press up, the drone fly upward. Press down, the drone fly downward. Press left, the drone turn left. Press right, the drone turn right. The right stick. Press up, the drone fly forward. Press down, the drone fly backward. Press left, the drone fly leftward. Press right, the drone fly rightward. 4 buttons next to the joystick are the corresponding fine-tuning button of the joystick. Short press this red button, it means 1 key to start. When the drone flies, it means 1 key to land with the ground. Barometer hold altitude. When the drone is flying more than 1 meter height, release the throttle stick. The drone will keep hovering at the current height. Press it once to turn on the light and press it once again to turn off the light. There are 2 flight modes of the drone, low speed and high speed. Keep pressing the 3D rolling button and push the forward or backward and the leftward or rightward control stick to the edges to perform the roll action accordingly. Press some function button located at the top right of the remote control for 2 seconds. The remote control will send out 2 beep sound and there will be letter of stick mode flashing on the LCD screen. The drone's indicator light turns from constant on to flashing. That means the drone is in headless mode. When the drone is in headless mode, flight direction proof is needed. Set the head of the drone ahead of the player. Turn both of the control stick to the lower right corner for about 2 seconds and drone's indicator light will turn from slowly flashing to quick flashing and flight direction proof is finished. When the operation are controlling the drone, no matter which direction the drone is heading towards, it can't always move forward in the corrected direction. When the drone is flying in headless mode, press 1 key return button. The drone will fly toward player. Press the 1 key return button again, or operate the forward or backward control stick. The drone will exit the 1 key return function. MJX developed a very powerful phone app for the drone of this series. Let's take a look at how to use it. For Android system, please visit our website www.mjxrc.com to download the software MJX H. For Apple iOS system, please go to the App Store to download the software MJX H. First, make sure that the camera C4005 is correctly mounted on the drone. Second, turn on the drone, then set the drone to the flat position. Third, enter into a setting of the mobile phone, open Wi-Fi, then insert the Wi-Fi signal MJX from the Wi-Fi signal list and connect the signal. Fourth, click Control to enter into the App control interface. Touch the App control icon. The icon will be in red color while the mobile phone Wi-Fi is sending out connectional signal to drone. Once the mobile phone's Wi-Fi signal is successfully connected with the drone, that is the 1K start icon, the drone will rotate in low speed. Then push up the throttle control stick icon, the drone will take off. There are two modes of the MJX H app. Click the monitor button, real-time images showing on the screen. Click the control button, activate the mobile phone app real-time remote control interface. Hide the interface. Touch this button to hide the menu of the interface. 180-degree roll. Touch this button to rotate the image 180 degrees. 360-degree roll. Once the drone is flying in the sky, touch this button, the drone will 360-degree roll forward. H and L speed. Touch this button to enter into high and low speed choosing mode. Gravity control mode. Touch this button to enter into the operation interface. Headless mode. Touch this icon to enter into headless mode and adjust the drone. 1K return. Touch this icon while the drone is in headless mode. The drone will return with rear heading back. Light switch. Touch this button to turn on or turn off the light. Mode switches. Touch this button to switch between 4 control modes. Low level, medium level throttle switch. Low level throttle is for drones without altitude hold mode plane. Medium level throttle is for drones with altitude hold mode plane. Flight route. Touch here to enter into flight plan. The left stick is the throttle control stick. The blank space of the screen is for flight route drawing. Once the route is drawn out, the drone will fly according to the indication of the route. Photo. Touch here, the camera will take photo. Video. Touch here, the camera will take video. 3D. Touch here and wear the 3D VR glasses to experience the 3D effects. Play. Touch here to play the saved videos and photos. The drone's Wi-Fi signal. It indicates the strength of the Wi-Fi signal. Landing switch. While the drone is flying, touch here to gently land the drone. Start switch. Touch this icon to rotate the drone in low speed. APP control. Touch this button, the icon will be in red color while the mobile phone is sending out connectional signal. These two areas are for the joystick, which are the same as the remote control joystick. The button next to them are the corresponding fine-tuning buttons. Return. Touch here to exit the APP control interface and enter into mode choosing. Here are all features of MJX X401H. I hope this video will help you better experience the joy of flight. Thank you for watching.